In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Slide Master in PowerPoint. Whether you're new to PowerPoint or looking to perfect your presentation skills, understanding how to effectively use Slide Master can save you time and ensure consistency throughout your slides. Let's dive in together. First things first, begin by launching Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Now you have the choice of either opening an existing PowerPoint presentation that you'd like to edit or starting a fresh one. If you're starting from scratch, feel free to add in your desired photos, tables, and any other content that you want to include. This groundwork allows us to move forward with the customization process. Once your presentation is open and ready, the next step is to navigate to the View tab located on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you will see an option called Slide Master. Give that a click. This will take you into a special mode where you can make widespread changes to your slides, changes that apply to all slides or specific types of slides, depending on what you select. In the Slide Master view, you'll notice a pane on the left side of your screen. The largest slide at the very top of this pane is the key to making universal changes. Think of this top slide as your template's blueprint. Whatever modifications you make here, such as font choices, color schemes, and more, will be automatically mirrored in all the layouts beneath it, ensuring uniformity. With the top master slide selected, head over to the Home tab once again to start adjusting your font styles, sizes, and colors as per your preference. This powerful step ensures that any text placeholder across your presentation will reflect these settings, maintaining a cohesive look. Just below the top master slide, you'll see smaller icons representing different slide layouts, such as title slide, title and content, and so on. If you wish to tailor a specific layout to have unique elements or styles, select the corresponding thumbnail here. You can tweak fonts, backgrounds, or even add and remove placeholders to fine-tune slides that adopt this layout. After you've made all the desired changes, your final task is to exit the Slide Master view. Simply click on Close Master View, which is conveniently located on the Slide Master tab. This action will return you to your main presentation view, where all the changes made through the Slide Master will now be visible across your slides. Congratulations! You've now mastered the basics of using Slide Master in PowerPoint, a skill that will streamline your future presentations and help you achieve a polished, professional look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps to become even more proficient. Happy presenting!